Abasaye b'ekigori genzi nigo baburiwe biatanane kurwa asabana siasa baria bako batumeka bobe asogoturbanya omurembe chingaki chiria bakorobekana gukwana ase skuru yekenderi yerirumi igotoka se ward ya Bonyamatuta nigo mujumbe o West Mugirango Muske Steve Mogaka asemirie abasabo b'ekigori kigia genzi kurigaraosikorarigereria baria bako batangana ase baria bari na barabo asokorobekana uko bamanye nga barabo ngo yasoke bari osabana babo mbare ase uko robekana uko ase skuru ega nigo omo MCA we wodi ega ya Bonyamatuta omoske Julius Matwere ensema yaye aka osakera obuteneneri bwe skuru ega mbuya asakogendera gokoria bya asamasomo y'umwaka oyeta abwasa babwate ekerenga gose emin ya 6.02 na nigo mentabuna nigo arachie ko barata basaye bonsi amo asomotimuko yu wetamya kabere ase kwarigania egekombe cy'umupira Fatgad Gesemba sobwikirano
Abasae be county ya Nyamira ase ntunda yende bakeirwe buya ase ogutaesokya chingaki cyo kurobekana ekero bakwemurunganiria oburai ubube kurwase eserekari omubunge o West Mugirango Muske Steve Mogaka nigo atebire abasae abange nigo bagusiria amagimabo chingaki cyo kurobekana na nigo bakorwa emechi emetaka.
Si wanasiasa, we are exploiters. I want to take this opportunity to thank the children God has given us in West Mugirango, because they have not been available for use by politicians who want to prosecute their selfish agenda. Our churches, you have brought virtues in our children that have made them keep away from wars which are not theirs.
Ukwana ase skuru ya sekondari ya Rirumi egotoke wodi ya Bonyamatuta nigo mubunge oyoiga boigo abasemiri abasae nyuma bataraisokya ase para erio korobekana ritanga nimbuya korarigereria ose abana babana siasa osembare bosyo ase okorobekana buna enchira eyemo yabo yokorenda amagimabo.
I have not seen a child of those who are inciting other people's children kwenda huko. Sijaona mtoto wa Rigishi akipigwa risasi aende kuzikwa. Sijaona mtoto wao akienda kuzikwa. Watoto wanazikwa ni watoto wa maskini ambao wamedanganywa na wale wanasiasa, wanaleta uchochezi, wanachafua inji na matanga inaenda kwa maskini. I want to ask religious leaders to please pray for us to have human hearts. Kama ninataka kuita maandamano, nikiwaita twende kufanya maandamano, if my children are not there, young men, don't come. We need also to be people of principle, and we cannot allow selfish people to always use people as fodder.
Ensema yaye omo MCA Bonyamatuta Julius Matwere nigo abasegeta borokiwa beskuru eyo yarirumi kogenderera gokora omukya asa masomo abo boigo chingaki aborokiwa bakire ase omutimoko bwetamu ya kabere nigo arachigosira ebyewa byabana abaiga
tuwato mupira toja wake wodi egitimu cyeito kire 16 ne cyabange nainye. That will be from Monday 4th to around 21st, so that we can allow the students again to go back to school, those who are learning. And then we shall complete the circle in November, December, when the students shall have come back from their schools. So there is that tournament, which is named Bonyamatuta World Football Tournament.
Nogo semia obo mujumbe o West Mugirango Muske Steve Mogaka abwatukire gochia saba sae kuna anene chinga kikiria bagosoka asokorobekana bararigeria ritangani imbarabya baba kubatangani abusyo kuna enchira eyemo yokorenda amagina abo. Ingo reporter Getembe kurwase skuru ejeiga ya secondary ya Rirumi ejegotuke meye wodi ya Bonyamatuta West Mugirango County ya Nyamira. Fatgad Gesemba